The number of millennials working in government is dangerously low. According to the Partnership for Public Service, less than 1% of federal employees are under the age of 25. It's a generational challenge with no easy solution. Today, HR executives have more tools at their fingertips as agencies turn to big data analysis for help. Diane Cho has more.
In government, the traditional hiring process is no more. Forget the days of simply reviewing a paper resume. Big data is a bigger part of the game to get new hires in the door faster than before, at least anyway for the U.S. Department of Agriculture.
We're not trying to reinvent the wheel. I think that the government recruitment process is very cumbersome with regards to the rules and regulations, and they're somewhat unavoidable. I think what we're trying to do is move the process online and give the tools based on data to be able to look for where there's areas of improvement.
Australian-based company Ascendre, formerly NGA.net, partnered with the USDA to form One USDA and standardize its human resources enterprise systems across 29 agencies. Now Ascendre's e-recruit software uses data to drive better personnel decisions across government.
They have been able to minimize many of the systems that they were using, redundant systems, by increasing the capability that they've got with ours.
Today, hiring managers at USDA can see information such as where the applicants are coming from geographically or where the hires are taking place.
So in this example, it would be perfect to see that within New Orleans and Washington, D.C., they've had success recruiting in these areas, so maybe to try targeting their recruiting efforts there.
Sagar Thacker, the director of Deloitte's Greenhouse, says companies are moving away from traditional filters on a resume such as education and GPA, instead focusing on how a candidate might fit into an organization's culture.
What analytics is actually revealing for some companies is those factors are actually not predictive of employees that will either be high performing.
As for what's next, well, Thacker says it's already happening.
Organizations are now using analytics to take a look at, for an individual, what are their strengths and weaknesses, and how do we couple that individual and put them in a team that they can perform well.
For the Government Matters team, I'm Diane Cho.